Here's your stock market update for January 20th. And after a 3 day long weekend, we have a lot to cover. The US stock market saw heavy losses on Tuesday as President Trump reignited trade war tensions with the EU over Greenland. The tariffs include roughly 8 NATO countries that would face an import duty of 10% unless the US got a deal on Greenland. And some of the specific tariffs actually go further than 10%. Like in France's case, there will be a 200% tariff on French wine and champagne. Now, President Trump will be going to Davos, Switzerland for the World Economic Conference, where he is set to speak as well. And he did mention, but I'm sure there's going to be further discussions regarding a deal for all parties. When asked if he was going to leave NATO, President Trump kind of dodged the question, but said that there would be a deal that would be benefiting everybody involved. However, the EU has discussed a $108 billion tariff as a retaliatory measure. They also have been discussing a method called the anti-coercion instrument, which would allegedly cause a fallout of roughly $8 trillion to U.S. assets. The European Commission leader, Ursula von der Leyen, warned on Tuesday that the EU's response to the tariff threats will be met with an unflinching, united, and proportional response. On Tuesday, Treasury yields jumped to their highest level in 4 months as a sell-off in Japanese bond added pressure on U.S. debt. The U.S. dollar fell to its 2-week low, and silver and gold prices surged again, hitting record highs, which is actually unbelievable to me. What gold is trading at is truly astonishing given where it was at last year. And finally, to note, there is a potential $2,000 being placed to every American that is being discussed, as Trump said it's a dividend from all the tariffs. But yet that is yet to be confirmed that if it'll actually happen or not. For now, that's all the news that you need to hear in the stock market. There will be a lot of fourth quarter earnings released this week, so stay tuned. But for now, peace.